Excuse me, sir, what do you have to say about the kitchen project? Binu?
What's your
What's
final
your
word?
He still wants to talk. He just does talk. Excuse me, Binu?
Let Binu talk for once.
Good morning.
Good morning. This is the actual chaos of our morning. This is what it's like living in an unfinished house. Sit down. Good boy, Binu. Hank, sit. Good boy, Hank. Stay. Hey, wait, sit. Ready? Okay, go. All right, let's go to Grandma and Grandpa's. Oh, it smells amazing.
Beautiful morning. Absolutely breathtaking.
I don't want you, Dad. Don't make me. I don't like it back there. Top of the building.
Hi, Turkey Berserky. You got your poo bear?
Like stuff from the Tower of Babel. And some coffee? We're gonna go pick up our uppers and then bring them all home.
So yeah, today's kind of a mismatch of a bunch of random things. I don't even know if we're fully getting a project done today, but this is kind of what it looks like when you're in a Reno. Some weekends are just for picking stuff up.
Make some progress.
Supply run.
Almost die on this road. It's raining for the 5th day in a row. Pretty little baby. Alright, watch me get wet.
Let's do a little checklist right now. Ow! I just sat on the buckle and it went like...
In your butt. Okay, we need all the upper panels. All the hinge plates. We can...
Oh, yes.
I don't know, all the shelves are ready.
Okay. Mallet.
Sure. That should be it.
2, 4, 6. These are shelf clips for the interior shelves.
These are all shelves. The smell of mine's sharp. I barely touched it.
We're trying to fit everything inside the truck instead of the back because it's raining right now, and if rain gets on that melamine, it's not gonna be pretty. That stuff's like a sponge. Oh. That's not gonna work!
I don't know what's up with this paper strap. That'll be good for 2 minutes.
Trying not to get a melamine cut.
Good idea.
Where am I going with this?
There's cabinets everywhere. Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the kitchen install. Today I'm going to be building the upper cabinets and installing them. I'm going to start off building the upper hood range cabinet.
It houses our range hood. So what we've done with this one is a little bit different than the rest. This cabinet protrudes deeper than these two uppers to give it more of like a decorative hood range look, which you'll see come together when Jesse builds it. So let's check that out.
So I'm going to start with the side gable. This is the one that sticks out when you look at it. The back gable is going to be the maple. Same as the rest of the cabinets. I'll put the back gable in. Grab my mallet. I got to make sure I use the white smoke finish on the bottom because that's what you're going to see when you're cooking at the stove. The top gable. The way these cabinets are built, CNC cuts out here a blind dado, cuts out a groove, and then this is a female part, and then the CNC cuts out the male part here, as you can see. The male part is sticking on the inside. Line it up and hammer it down. Make sure the front face is flush. From the other finished side point of view, you can see completely what the blind dados look like. This is what fits into the top and bottom, and then the back slips into that channel there. Get the back to go in first. Kind of have to play with it a little bit just to get it to slide in.
Now you know how to install and build. We can skip to the good part with a snap of a finger.
Now our last video might have been a bit slow, so I'll speed it up for you. 1, 2, 3. I got my sink.
It looks good, baby. We're visiting Daddy at work. Are we gonna pick up our doors? Yeah? Yeah? Oh! We're getting our doors today, which is super exciting. Here they come. So all the uppers and the bases are installed, which is amazing. Exciting news, we're also getting our appliances delivered today. But the kitchen is a write-off. Come with me while I clean that up because that definitely needs to be done before the guys try and deliver anything in here. Let's go. Got our appliances delivered last night at like 9:30 at night. So exciting! That's crazy!
Alright, now I'm going to be cutting the valence. The valence is the trim that goes underneath the upper cabinets. It's what you attach the LED undermounted lightings to. Alright, this is how I'm going to start with the valence. I'm going to take a piece of 5/8 material. This just helps me gauge where to mark my line here. So on the underside, I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to mark a line on the whole back. Take this off. Now I just take my measurement from here all the way down 74 9/16. So now I know what to cut. I'm going to take this measurement 11 3/4. I have to cut it at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to be adding another like sub-molding to this part right here. This is what you use to attach screws to the bottom of the cabinet. Okay, now this is the fun part. I'm going to add CA glue and try to keep it away from the edge so it doesn't spill over onto the miter. Put the activator on this side. Make sure the top, the part you're going to see, looks nice. Get one of the brackets here, and voila, it's ready to go up.
Bruno, what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm a good Bruno. For above the hood range, I'm going to use a solid piece of oak. I could use melamine or edge banded material, but you run the risk of it delaminating over a hot cook surface. So I had a random scrap of fluted oak lying around, and me and Kay thought it would look nice as the decorative piece for our hood. I'm going to use this and hopefully don't wreck it because I don't have any spares.
A few moments later.
I messed this up. I messed it up. How did I mess it up? What did I do? what did I do? Thanks for watching.
We'll be back again next week. We're gonna wrap it up with some crown molding, put all the doors on, the drawer fronts, the hardware.
Kick.
We're gonna be ordering, kick as well.
Handles.
We have to order our quartz soon, so that'd be super exciting. So stay tuned with us next week. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We want to start a little YouTube family with you guys. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.